Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel. We focus on education, training and general awareness. Today I will talk how to make children intelligent and well behaved. This is not an easy task. Rather, this is a test of elders' knowledge and behavior. Undoubtedly, intelligent and well behaved children are in a position to lead dignified and rewarding life. Purpose of this video is to know how parents, teachers or elders can educate and train their children. First we need to know is that all children are not the same. Rather, each child is unique. Different children have different potential. Potential means ability to become, for example, sportsman, educationist, a medical professional, pilot, businessman, etc. So we should identify the potential of children and guide them accordingly. Children are very curious at the age of 2 or 3. So that is the stage and time when we can benefit the child, rightly developing and using their potential. Just observe the behavior of children in the advanced technological era, when artificial intelligence and generative artificial intelligence in under use. It is quite different than the children of 1950s and 60s, when research in human learning was at its peaks and many books were written by educational psychologists about children. Today children ask many questions. They want food of their own choice. They do not like ordinary toys. They want mechanical or electronic toys. Today, a 2-year-old child can use smartphone. Therefore, we must create informed environment coupled with values and ethics. Now, there are preschool academies leading to schools. Preschool academies can play important role in development of children. We perceive the environment through our 5 senses. So whatever children learn, that go to their memory and they demonstrate the same in their behavior. There are 2 main sources of learning. One is formal and organized, that is academies and schools, and other is the environment. As children learn through their senses, that is sight, hearing, touch, smell and taste, from the environment. Learning from the environment is very strong and it has greater impact on intellect of children as compared to organized learning. This is the reason that children in developed countries are generally well behaved. In the schools, we can pay attention to develop intellect of children, but for making them well behaved, we have to pay attention to our environment. I will share with you a few behavioral aspects that can make your children well behaved. First stage of environment is our home. A relationship between husband and wife is important. If they have cordial relationship, they respect each other, they don't shout, they are polite, it will have positive impact on the behavior and personality of the children. Number 2, whenever we make any promise with our children, that must be fulfilled on time. That will add to the confidence and faith in parents. children will respect parents. Number 3, at the age of 3 or 4 years, children are very observant. They desire to have toys, clothes, chocolates, and many other things of their own choice. Whatever your pocket allows, promise only that one, and don't get them immediately. Let them wait for some time. It will develop patience in them. Remember, patience is another important attribute of behavior. Number 4, another very important factor of behavior, whatever you prohibit your children, don't do the same in their presence. For example, children are asking for ice cream in very cold weather, and you don't want to give them for any valid reason, and you start eating ice cream in their presence. This will have negative impact on them. Number 5, don't make any distinction between children, especially girls. In the developing world, special treatment is given to boys, which is dangerous for the society, because children learn discrimination from the beginning and they undermine the value of justice. These attributes lead to development of unfair, unjust, and polarized society. We have to be very careful in this respect. Number 6, whatever you do for your children, consider it your obligation and responsibility. Never make them feel that you are doing something special or some favor to them. Children will not only like you but love you. Number 7, celebrate small achievements of your children. This celebration will be a great source of motivation to excel for bigger achievements. Number 8, your behavior with children should be friendly. Don't create any gap, because this will discourage them to share their feelings and problems with you. They will find someone else outside the home to share their feelings, and this may be very dangerous. They may be trapped by the bad elements of the society. So pay attention to your children when they want to talk with you. Number 9, teach your children what is wrong and what is right, but they will only develop the ability to make distinction between right and wrong when you display this ability practically in their presence. Number 10, if you have more than one child, don't compare them in any respect, or don't compare them with children outside your home. It will develop hatredness between children and also demoralize them. Consequently, they will not be able to perform better. Number 11, have a big heart in respect of children. Don't punish them for small mistakes, rather counsel them. This behavior will result in developing personality that don't waste time on small errors and mistakes, non-violent attitude, love, peace, and tranquility. Number 12, when children want to talk with you, be attentive and respectful. Tomorrow, when they will grow up, they will be attentive and respectful to you. Number 13, encourage the children to take part in sports. It will have positive effect on their physical growth and mental growth also. Number 14, continuously guide children how to talk with fellow children and elders. Number 15, My last suggestion is about unlearning. Research in human learning reveals that unlearning is difficult, painful, and takes time. Sometimes it happens that children learn something wrong or undesirable. You correct them, but they repeat the same. Have patience. You will have to counsel them again and again. When you know that unlearning is difficult, only then you will have patience. Well, whatever I have shared with you, that is important for parents and teachers. Since preschool academies and schools are responsible for organized learning, they should focus on improving the intellect of children, that is, provision of knowledge and using the knowledge in the given circumstances is intelligence. Teachers should be given proper training along with working manuals so that they could address both the aspects, that is, provision of knowledge and application of knowledge to achieve desired results. Viewers, if you have not subscribed the channel so far, please do so to get the intimation of educational videos.